Hey folks, welcome back to our continuing analysis of Nifty Futures. Tomorrow is the first day of the September contract, and once again we are using the hourly time frame to perform our price time cause and effect analysis to determine harmonic support and resistance levels for index futures. AIC's price time cause and effect analysis system, Prime Case, provides accurate trading signals not only for Nifty index futures but for all asset classes, including but not limited to equities, derivatives, bonds, commodities, currencies, and even cryptocurrencies, trading on any exchange anywhere in the world. Now make sure to view our previous videos in this playlist to follow Nifty's trend this week and beyond. Today, Nifty Futures August contract opened just below its support level of 16,615 to trade as high as 16,670 on expiration day, closing flat at 16,639 in the final hour trade. US and EU indices have been trading flat as well, waiting on news about the future of quantitative easing from the Economic Symposium being held today in Jackson Hole. If the news is positive, Nifty future prices could trade as high as 16,775 tomorrow. Now let's look at the support and resistance levels for August the 27th. Our first support is at 16,630, while our first resistance, R1, is at 16,670. Our second support, S2, is at 16,615, while R2 is at 16,740. Our third support is at 16,585, while our third resistance is at 16,775. To summarize, Nifty Futures trading range is expected to be between 16,585 and 16,775 tomorrow. That's it, folks. That's our analysis of Nifty Futures September contract trading on the National Stock Exchange for August the 27th. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.